Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna drag it 1 back.
That's so bad, but I almost went for that. That was bad.
Prompting.
Nice dodging the dance. Go to the side, check.
Max range. Even more to the side. Yeah, that's excellent.
But stop jizzing, it's you. Come on guys, go forward. Don't let him die.
Really far, I'll be first, yes.
Right side.
You can run full boss. Do you have cooldown, bro?
2, yes.
There's more than that.
Okay, going out.
Scra 2, 1.
Doesn't matter.
Train step.
Pumping back.
Jenny, vänta bara innan mig. Fuck my healing.
There's shields left.
It's on left side. Wait for me to...
And of sacrifice in about 2 seconds.
Do it now, on theory.
I have 4 minutes, yeah, no.
Right
side. Decimation, take.
Neki, I have all cooldowns.
Yeah, I'll go up. Get me up.
Pumping back.
Go down.
Way out of range.
Roll.
Getting nothing.
Green side. Oh, you're so... Okay.
I used all the cooldowns now.
Just play it safe now. 30, 12, don't freeze. Get him up.
Sharp close to melee. Oh, sorry, left side.
Yes, no, go. Save all rest for now.
Then I spawn the boss to get ready.
Heavy.
Moving coming.
Decimation, holding.
Chest is yours, take it first, okay? 213 or 14.
I got 2 cooldowns.
Bouncing back.
Please, you can have one taking you.
Yeah, no cooldowns. Go now.
Yeah, still need to go.
Hey guys, come on. Nuke.
Spawn.
Healers, handle these crystals. Handle this.
I'll take first and Malik.
Come on, Nuke.
Full stoning.
Nice.
Yes!
Nice.
Yes!
Nice. Nice.
This was high
That
time.
was
Amazing work.
that was nice.